Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. I'm Jessica and welcome to this amazing walking tour. It's time to go learn how to travel like a pro and be mesmerized by magnificent seaside views. My destination of choice this time around is none other than the stunning Marbella in Spain. Here, you can see some of the most beautiful beaches the world has to offer. If this doesn't excite you already, then keep on watching and you won't be able to resist the temptation. Don't forget to hit the like button if you are enjoying this trip and leave a comment about your thoughts as well. Ready for our beachy adventure? I guarantee there is more to come as we explore this coastal beauty. Our first stop is the Port and Promenade, located inside of the old town. Take a look at the panoramic views around the old marina and take in the smell of the refreshing sea breeze. Boats of all sizes decorate the atmosphere and travelers of all kinds gather here. Let's move on. We now find ourselves at Nueva Andalucia Beach. This oasis encompasses the vibrant and lively atmosphere of Spain. Here, you can relax and watch people going by, the waves crashing against the shore, and the sound of laughter filling the streets. Travelers flocking to and from, exercise with yoga on the beach or just lie back and soak in the sun. And now it's time to witness the stunning crystal blue waters of Playa Las Adelphas. This beach is full of life, activities, and natural beauty. Fun, sun, and nightlife, everything you need to make a perfect Marbella day. With so many opportunities, it is easy to get lost in the alluring sand and splash in the sea. Last but not least, let's wander over to Playa El Faro.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!